to tamshi ke lerem the joke by and dig jazz on Anzo Danda Tring Nisi ke Soching the tap tune and the Anzo Zinta Chitu Zinta Pesachi Yote and the Tutin Chunila Yin and Tutin Chunila do chance of my na Niduni Zasum ke Chenda and the Sumba ke Sipachune Niduni Zas Tabshi ke Chenda Sumba ke Tsi and the Chuba the logic triple and Ari Ranzi Soham Dula and Puranzi Rangichi the language Matapa Jumachi Perite the Chidang Trinidana Pengiri Zambale Sajo Kansala and the Ranzin Tapsu Chingi Lango Pengi Mimamo Shuji Yorid Samba Lamoni Chinga so Kadi Jidi Shu Yodi Inaya and to teach you like a logic triple and Dinichi mixing Lango Pe de Lanzo Chitu Zinta Dinchi 2 years tissue and to teach you la Dincha Hala Piranang.
Thank you. So that concludes the speaker session for this morning. Up next, we'd like to take a moment to honor Tupten Chunila. So this is in recognition of spearheading his year-long vigil for Tibetan independence in front of Philadelphia's Independence Hall in the U.S. from March 2023 till March 2024. Your strength and resolve in advocating for Tibet's independence and raising awareness of Tibet's independent past is commendable and continues to inspire many freedom-loving people around the world. It is an honor to have your presence at the 7th International Rangzin Conference. To bestow this honor, we'd like to call up a veteran writer, activist, Jayanubula.
Let's go and Kyanjan no Ladon to the junior number Tuche. And take Jesus, Nananazota, Natuki, Zerem, the Joto by Dini, Nansoke, Mamanda, and the Kundo number Nyamde, and Koba Joying Nansoke, the Zerem no Chisha, you take it. And so Kapangas to this number to Luluna and the children number, the Kundo number, this chick, Sola good and Anso Josie, the Kubja, the Yapachi, take the Parja Chuchu, and Mamanyam, the party.